Hey, this is Mike again, and today I'm reviewing Ni no Kuni 2 for the PS4. This is the premium edition, so it has some extras, and I'm going to show you now. So if you haven't played Ni no Kuni 1, Ni no Kuni 2, I believe, I don't know if it's, I haven't played it myself. I am still working my way through the first one, but I believe this one is a separate story, um, just double check. But I love the Ni no Kuni series because it has like the Studio Ghibli style type of animation, and it's a nice, not too crazy of a JRPG. So I really like that. It doesn't have anything um, over the top. It's pretty, has like a nice simple type of I don't want to say simple story, but it keeps it. It doesn't get as crazy as some other games that or too violent or too, you know, rated R or anything like that. It keeps it pretty PG. So I like that. This premium edition comes with the game itself. So this is the game. This is the back of the cover, and as you can see, it has here comes with these extras as DLC, and this is the CD itself. Um, so yeah, so just know that it comes with that. Oh yeah, yeah, and on the back it has the code. So I'm not going to show that here, so you guys don't take the code. But yeah, so it comes with that. And then also it has the CD collection, which is right here, the steel book. So it looks very nice. I really like the artwork. So really nice artwork, very shiny steel. So and inside it has the music CD collection, so you can enjoy the music. And I like the artwork there too of the map. So it looks very very nice. So it also comes with a paper craft, but I don't have it with me at the moment. It was actually a little bit difficult to build, so maybe you're better at it than me. I wasn't that great at building that thing, so. But it does come with all of this and the DLC, and hope you enjoy the game, and hope this review is helpful.